Hello everyone, welcome to Line Zero's vlog series. For today's vlog, let's talk about the HBR article entitled, Productivity is about your systems, not your people. Let's talk about how to make productivity improvements in your organization. First, HBR recommends making work visible. Often, it is difficult to know what team members are working on day to day and their bandwidth to take on more tasks. A communications tool like Workplace from Facebook increases transparency within and across teams, and enables a more equitable distribution of work because it becomes visible and therefore manageable. Using virtual task boards like Workplace Newsfeed can eliminate status checks and lengthy meetings around updates. Second, HBR recommends defining the bat signal. That is, agree with your team on which communication platform to use to meet specific objectives. By doing this, you can help your team avoid checking various digital messaging platforms, which is detrimental to productivity. For example, at Line Zero, we use Workplace Chat for more urgent requests that require immediate communication and feedback, and Workplace Newsfeed for project and task updates. Lastly, HBR recommends aligning responsibility with authority because workers often receive tasks but are not given the authority to deliver results. HBR recommends allowing employees to make above the waterline or low-risk decisions on their own. For example, at Line Zero, employees feel empowered to make above the waterline decisions and merely inform their superiors via Workplace Newsfeed with the ability to produce a read receipt on the comment. That is, your manager has viewed and is aware of the decision without being accountable for the decision. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. If you have any questions or want more ideas around improving productivity at a systematic level, email engage@linezero.com. Until next time.